Hey guys, in this makeup look, I'm doing an excellent makeup collaboration. As from the title, I'm collaborating with some lovely ladies. Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Shelly from Shelly channel, Tara from Tara Beauty 36, Rachel from the Ray Young YouTube channel, and lastly, Afoma from the Amofa.o channel. If you would like to see how we achieved this look, just keep watching. Starting off with my NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and I'm sketching around my brow. And I am trying to do kind of like an egg design around the eye. It didn't really come out as I expected, but that's just the way it is. I'm now taking my Ben Nye cream color in white. I'm sketching out an egg design. This is going to be the base, in which I'm applying the yellow eyeshadow on top. I'm applying it at the bottom as well. Setting it with some colors from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. This is the yellow called Wow. And I'm applying that everywhere I see the white shadow. This entire video will not be voiceover. I just had an important phone call I had to take during the beginning of the video, so soon you will hear me talking. Now I'm taking that same Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX and I'm sketching out some circles that kind of screwed up. But yeah, this was my worst idea here. I took a lip color to draw the beak. I will never do that again because it kept creasing, as you'll see throughout the video. Highly recommend not doing that. I'm taking Cute eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm going around the outer border. I have no idea where I was going with this. It just was something I just randomly did, but it didn't turn out too bad. It could have been a lot worse, but it's still pretty bad. And then in the inside, I'm taking the F word in the palette, which is matte coral. I just feel like these are some nice Easter colors that complement the yellow pretty well. And here's where I started creasing and becoming a hot mess. But yeah, it was bad. Okay, so my egg looks pretty sad. As you all know, I'm not good at drawing at all. I just have a lot of fun completing these challenges. You know, it's just therapeutic, so I'm just touching up as best as I can. Let's see. What else is Easterish that I could do? I'm thinking of the ridges like the Easter egg has. I'm just gonna leave this alone because there's no point in continuing to mess it up. So I think I'm gonna do like a ruffle design. Like on the Easter eggs, there's like this little zigzag thingy. If y'all know what I'm talking about. Maybe, maybe not. I'm gonna do something all the way across. I'm gonna try my best. I wish I had some colored eyeliners like this NYX Epic Ink. I do not, so I'm gonna have to freehand it. I'm gonna use something other than this color. I actually have more of these Ben Nye bases. I think I'm gonna grab another color. So I have a different stack here. I believe I'm going to use turquoise. That's this one. These are very easy to work with. They just crease if you aren't careful. And as y'all notice, I did, oh crap. I don't know what I was thinking. Applying a lip color right here that wasn't matte. It was glossy. So it keeps transferring. And I'm having a hard time trying to keep it from going up there. So let me try to fix it one last time. So I'm gonna continue with turquoise now. Just taking a stiffer synthetic brush. This is a MAC 195. I'm gonna attempt to do this. Actually, I'm gonna take sky blue instead of turquoise. It's a little brighter and lighter. I'm gonna follow the natural line of my Cupid's bow for this part and then continue out. Now I'm just gonna make it a thicker line by extending it. I'm gonna go in with a different color now, probably green. This is, I believe, lime green, Ben Nye cream color. These actually working really good. For once, I'm not using my paint palette. These work way better. They're creamier, easier to work with. They don't dry, super dry on the face, they feel pretty hydrating. So I'm gonna continue using them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this with the same brush. I cleaned it off. I'm gonna leave a gap between the two. You'll see why. I'm gonna do this kind of wider. This has a bit of a drier texture than the others. Taking a totally different cream color now. The one I'm going to use, I believe, I think I'm going to use a purple because I have nothing like that on my face now. I'm going to use pink. Pink I guess I could use. Where's my other stack? So this one is called Purple. These are awesome. Also, if you're looking for like colored eyeshadow bases, they're very affordable. They may be a little more expensive now, but they're still very affordable. I think when I got these, they're like $6 a piece, and it's a lot of product, as you can see. I actually took them out of their container and put them in these stackable jars I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just more convenient for me that way. This is the Sedona Lace 224. I want a round shape because I'm doing polka dots. I would use a brush, I just don't feel like screwing up. This will make it a bit easier. So I'm literally digging my brush in there, and I'm just gonna boop, boop. Hopefully that works. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush and try to fill it in without screwing up. Now that I have, you know, my circles, it should be easier. My circles actually look pretty good. I'm impressed. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this side. I think I'm gonna use pink. No, don't have that many colors to choose from. They're kind of all similar now that I think about it. Like I'm missing orange. I could have used an orange, but I don't have an orange cream color. I could use pink, but I didn't want to go that route because I haven't been using it. Let's take royal blue. This one is just called blue. It's like a royal blue. I haven't used anything like that, even though I have blue on my face. I'm gonna do a different design on this eye. I'm gonna stay away from the egg because that did not come out like I wanted it to. It's darker, so yeah, we should be fine. I'm gonna sketch another egg design. Try to. Just using one of these synthetic brushes I've been using to keep it simple. I think I might do 2 colors for this. I'm doing kind of like a floral design. Now I'm taking this color called Bright Pink. It's another cream color from Ben Nye. I'm putting this in between. My dog is looking at me crazy, as usual when I have crazy stuff on my face. This is semi turning out how I want it. Now I'm going to do a fun lip color. I think I'm going to do purple. Well, this light purple because I have it nowhere else. This is Blow Pony from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh gosh, this is probably my worst creative look I've done ever. This part is decent, and then this is like WTF. This is pretty, and then yeah. I would do mascara, but I kind of don't want black around the eyes because I want to keep the focus on the color. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this fun look. I had a lot of fun creating it, even though it doesn't look too hot. Like up here, maybe if you look at the bottom part, it's decent, but yeah. Rate the video, subscribe if you haven't to my channel, turn on your post notifications, don't forget to check out the other ladies that are participating in this collaboration, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.